Hello everyone. We are going to start with doing our math packet today, so you need to go to the top of your packet and put your name at the top. Go ahead and do that now and pause the video if you need to pause it. So put your name at the top. That's the first thing you need to do. Then I'm going to go down here and we're going to pretend like I asked 6 different students what their favorite summer activity was, okay? So let's say that 2 students like swimming. So we're going to put an X and another X for swimming. Okay, let's say that 1 student liked boating, and let's say that 3 students like water skiing. So put an X. So you should have 2 for swimming, 1 for boating, and 3 for water skiing. Okay, we're going to go to the next page, okay? So we're going to count the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because we surveyed 6 people. Which had the most? Was it swimming, boating, or water skiing? Okay, go to the next page. You're going to open up your packet. The top of your packet should look like mine, so make sure it does before you get started. And it says a bar graph uses bars to show information or data. Use the tally chart to make a bar graph, okay? So this is kind of an example for us, okay? So we see 2 tally marks and then they put the number 2 for apple. We see 1 tally mark for cheese and then they wrote the number 1. 3 tally marks for celery and then they wrote the number 3, okay? So if we come down here, we're going to do the same thing, okay? So this says shapes I see, okay? So we're going to count these. So you're going to go ahead and count these tally marks with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares. So we're going to put a number 6 right here. And then triangles, let's go ahead and count triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to put a number 4 for 4 triangles. And then let's count circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to put a number 7 right here. Okay, all right. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do our bar graph like we did in the front of our packet, okay? So we are going to put X's for our square. So how many X's do we need to put for our square? 6 X's, okay? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. And then how many triangles do we need to do? We need to do 4 triangles. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then how many circles do we need to put? 7. 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, you're going to go down here to the bottom. Okay, you don't have to answer that one. So we're going to go to the next page. So you're going to flip your packet like a pancake. Okay. And I'm going to describe these, but you're going to do them on your own, okay? So it says, ask 10 friends to name their favorite playground activity, okay? Write the totals in the tally chart. So I'm going to pretend like I'm going to do the votes, but then you're going to write the total, okay? All right, so let's say that we have 2 students like jump rope. We have 3 students like slides. And 5 students like basketball. Okay, so you can go ahead and put the tallies that I put, and then count your tallies and put the number in these boxes. So the number of jump ropes in this box, the number of slides in this box, and the number of basketball people that like basketball in this box. Remember, you're putting the number, not the tally. It says use the tally chart in exercise 3 to make a bar graph, okay? I'm not going to do this one, okay? So whatever your total is, so if you have 2 for jump rope, you have 3 for slide, and you have 5 for basketball, you're going to put an X in each of those sections. So this is jump rope, this is slide, and this is basketball. So you're going to make a bar graph according to what you put up here. All right. And again, you can pause this video while you do that. All right, I'm going to go on. A survey shows that 1 person likes oatmeal, 8 people like pancakes, and 3 people like scrambled eggs. How many people were surveyed? So we have 8, we have 1 more, and then we have 3 more. So let's count on from 9, okay? Say 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 people total were asked that question. So we're going to put a number 12 right here on this line. Okay. We're going to go down here and it says Braden saw fish and crabs at the beach. He saw 13 animals in all. If he saw 8 crabs, how many fish did he see? Okay, so let's go ahead and let's draw a picture. We're going to draw 13 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, sorry, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, okay? So now we're going to go back through and we're going to put a slash through them when we count, okay? So we're going to count to 8, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we're going to count the ones we have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that Braden saw 5 fish while he was there. 5. Sorry for my drawing, it's not very pretty today. All right, and the last thing you're going to do is you're going to put an X through here for your right math, okay? You're going to bring your packet up to me. If your packet is good and you got everything done, you're going to put it in your mailbox, and you do have the last page for your homework, and you're going to get on iReady, okay? All right, that is it.